Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing affiliate programs. A lot of people are interested in financial instruments but cannot create a huge passive income with the amounts that they can invest. Not to worry, you can still pursue a passive income by creating a network. Instead of selling Dyson vacuum cleaners or products on Amazon, you can market different financial instruments. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning money or commission every time you promote a company's products or services and drive a sale. You only get paid every time you drive a sale, just like a commission-only sales rep. Except in this case, you're receiving income on a monthly basis, even if you've already signed someone up. Now, before I dive into affiliate marketing, let me tell you why you should care. Ever since COVID struck, everyone's goal is to increase their passive income. Some people have the means to invest in instruments with substantial quantities of money and speed up the process of creating passive incomes. Other people need time. But we also know that following a scheme of turning $500 into $16,000 over 3 years may not be worth the time for some people, especially if you want to see your passive income grow within the first 6 months. This is why Sincere Systems is for you. Their affiliate marketing program is extremely rewarding and appreciative of your efforts. Let's take a look at their breakdown. Once you have signed up through my link, here is the income data table that will be made available to you. You can see on the top the percentages available to you as you grow your network over time. If you have only invested $100 and have not signed anyone up, you will not be receiving any rewards. Once you have a total network worth $3,000, including your own $100, you will start getting 7% of the passive income from your network. Next, at a team turnover of $10,000 with an investment of only $100 of your own, you will start receiving 9% in passive income. It gets more interesting as your network grows, and on level 4 with an investment of only $100 but a team turnover of $25,000, the company will reward you with a $1,000 bonus, in addition to which you will now have 10.5% passive income from your team turnover. We can see that things get a lot more interesting on the higher levels of team turnover. You can see that once your network or amount of people that you have signed up have summarily invested $500,000, you will start receiving 14% of the network income, as well as getting a $20,000 bonus, considering by then that you will have invested $5,000 into the instrument yourself. So you receive income from your own deposits, plus the deposits of your team, in addition to rewards on each level, which you can reinvest or withdraw, completely up to you. Next, you can already achieve a level that you want today by investing that needed amount yourself if you have that capability. So investing $3,000 will already give you level 2, and investing $10,000 will give you level 3. Whatever deposits you make yourself are included in total team turnover. Let's use an example I created. Let's say you have invested $100 and signed a group of people who have each put different amounts, but their total amount invested is $24,900. You now have a structure that has a team turnover of $25,000 total, including your own investment. Straight away, you achieve a milestone and receive a $1,000 reward, plus your passive income from your structure increases to 10.5%. If you have a substantial network, lots of friends, you're a content creator, a sales rep who's tired of selling and talking about shit people don't need, start selling people the ability to make money, and you will in this way learn more about financial instruments and create a passive income for yourself. Contact me today and sign up for free through my website.
Нетворкер – это человек, у которого нет своей жизни в момент работы. Нужно понять одну простую вещь. В сетевом бизнесе, если ты завидуешь, ты не вырастешь. Можно зарабатывать огромнейший $1 миллион в нетворкинге, при этом инвестировать только любовь, интеллект, чуть-чуть так напрягся. Я не сразу понимал эту всю перспективу. Я не сразу осознал, что такое геометрическая прогрессия бесконечно развивающейся команды. И ты кайфуешь от того, что люди зарабатывают больше, что люди меняют свою жизнь. Это красивый бизнес. Это большое будущее.
See you soon.